You've thought about this more than you admit, late at night, calculating how long you'll have to keep working and imagining a life where you don't. You already know the basics. Spend less, invest the rest, let time compound it. But the gap between knowing and doing feels huge, and progress feels slow. Financial freedom isn't complicated. It's simple, but hard because everything around you is designed to distract you from it. First, you must believe it's possible for you, not just in theory, but personally within a realistic time frame. Without that belief, you'll unconsciously quit, delay, or sabotage your own progress. You build belief by studying real people with normal incomes who achieved freedom in 7 to 10 years. As you consume these stories, your mindset shifts, and what once felt impossible starts to feel achievable. But belief alone isn't enough. You need a strong emotional reason, because this journey requires years of discomfort, saying no, spending less, and living differently. When motivation fades, only a clear why will keep you going. Define exactly what freedom means for you: time, escape, creativity, or family, and make it real. Next, understand the math differently. Traditional advice says save 25x your expenses, but that often feels unreachable. Instead, focus on your baseline monthly cost, what it takes to simply live. Once you know that number, freedom becomes covering those expenses without a job. That shifts the goal from millions in savings to building income streams. Lowering expenses becomes powerful because it reduces how much income you need. Cut housing, transportation, and food costs, and you dramatically speed up your timeline. Every dollar you eliminate reduces the pressure on your future income. Your job isn't the path to freedom, it's funding the path. Use it to survive while you build something that can grow. Beyond your time, there are two types of income: linear and scalable. Linear income trades time for money and stops when you stop. Scalable income grows without requiring constant effort. This includes content, digital products, or value-based services. At first, it may earn nothing, but over time, it compounds. That's how freedom becomes possible. Financial freedom doesn't mean never working. It means choosing work you enjoy. You'll still need purpose, but now it's on your terms. To get there, you need skills, and skills can be learned. Everything from marketing to content creation is teachable and widely available online. The real barrier isn't information, it's action. Most people get stuck in 3 areas: choosing an idea, finding customers, and managing time. There is no perfect idea. You discover what works by starting. Customers come from content, ads, or outreach. Simple, but requires consistency. Time exists if you remove distractions and commit daily effort. Even 1 focused hour a day compounds over time. You must also choose your timeline. You can sacrifice heavily for 3 to 5 years or move slower over 7-10 years. Both work, but you can't have comfort now and speed at the same time. Expect failure. It's part of the process. Every failed attempt teaches skills that contribute to future success. Nothing is wasted if you learn and adapt. Community makes this easier. Being around people who pursue freedom reshapes what you believe is possible. Environment influences your expectations and your actions. Systems matter more than motivation. Automate saving, schedule work, and remove decisions where possible. Consistency beats bursts of motivation every time. Keep learning continuously. Books, podcasts, and courses compound your advantage. Financial freedom is simple. Lower expenses, build scalable income, and stay consistent. It's hard because it requires doing what most people won't. But a few focused years can create decades of freedom. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is persistence. You now understand the path. What matters is what you do next. Start today, take 1 action, and build from there.